Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can create an Apple ID and set it up online. And you do this over at appleid.apple.com. I'll link this webpage right at the top of the video description. And then once you're on the Apple ID page, there's an option here where you can sign in. Next to that, it says create your Apple ID. So you're going to click on that. And then it's going to take you over to the Create Your Apple ID page, and they're going to have you enter in your first and last name, your country, region, your birthday, and then you type your Apple ID into this area, create a password, confirm your password, and then enter in a phone number, verify that phone number with either text message or a phone call. And then you have a few different boxes here to either check or uncheck whether you want to get announcements, app, music, TV, and more, as well as the Apple News newsletter. And me personally, I'm probably going to be unchecking all of these before finishing off this process. And then you type in these characters to verify, and at that point, you go ahead and click continue. So I went through, entered all of that information, and then at the end here, click continue. And apparently I didn't enter in the characters correctly. Not a big deal if this happens to you as well. They'll give you a new code and then again, try and click continue. And then it should take you over to the next screen, which says verify your email address to create your new Apple ID. An email with a verification code has been sent, and then it has the email address that I inputted. So then you enter the code in this region right here. And my code is 321693, and of course your code is very likely to be different than that, but just going through this example here, entering in that code and then click continue. And then they're going to have you verify your phone number to finish setting up your Apple ID, and then it's going to list the phone number that you entered in right in this area, and the verification code that you get either through a text message or a phone call, you can enter that in this area. And my verification code is 107243. And again, your code is going to be different than that, but once you have your code typed in, again, go ahead and click continue. And then you should be good to go at that point in time. It will take you over to your Apple ID page. It will have your account information, your security information. And if you scroll down, it'll also have your devices, your payment and shipping information, as well as messages from Apple. And this is the boxes that I had unchecked earlier on. You can either check or uncheck them in this area, and also your data and privacy settings. So I hope this video was helpful, showing you how you can create an Apple ID online. Again, I will link this page down in the video description, appleid.apple.com. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing, and I'll catch you back here next time.